Welcome! If you're tired of getting those in-app reminders for your pins on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off those notifications on your PC, especially with Pinterest's latest update. Let's jump right in and make your Pinterest experience a little more peaceful. First, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one that says Settings. This will open up a new page where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a list of different options. Find and click on the section labeled Notifications. This is where Pinterest manages all the alerts and reminders you receive. Now, under Notifications, look for the option called Reminders at Pins You Saved. This is the setting that controls those in-app reminders that pop up whenever you save a pin. To stop getting these, simply switch off or disable the in-app option. It's a quick toggle, and once it's off, Pinterest will stop sending those reminders directly in the app. Before you leave, make sure you click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is important to ensure your changes are applied and you won't keep getting those notifications. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your Pinterest notifications and made your browsing experience a lot more enjoyable. No more unnecessary reminders popping up while you're exploring new ideas. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.